If you want to remove home screen page on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then unfortunately you have to do this manually, meaning that whatever you have on a home screen page, you just have to either remove it from the home screen completely, or you just have to change the position of an app, folder, or widget and just place it on a different home screen page. So here I have this example home screen page where I just have one app. And if I want to remove this page, I just have to remove the app from that page, so I can just move it to another page. And now as you can see, that page is gone. It is automatically removed. Now, in this case, if I want to remove this home screen page now, then I have to change the position of this app over here and of this widget, of course. So if I want to, I can of course do this, or I can just remove all of these things from the home screen completely. It's up to you if you still need them or not. If you don't need them, then you can just easily remove everything. And there we go. Now, as you can see, that home screen page is also removed. So unfortunately, we have to do this manually. There is no button that allows you to just quickly select a page and erase it from the home screen. Leave a like and subscribe.